mention? Mixing. Yes. Sit down. These are work with the help of current. Okay. So today we are going to see about the topic electricity. First we have to know what is meant by current. Okay. Current is nothing but a flow of electron. Okay. Anyone know what is meant by electron? It is carry a negative charge. Okay. Electron is nothing but that is existed inside the atom. Okay. We know that all the materials made up of what? Atom. Okay. Atom consists of electron, proton, positon. Okay. Here, center of the atom we call as the nucleus. Okay. That is considered two particles. That is proton and neutron. What is this? Proton, neutron. And neutron. Proton carries positive charge. Which charge? Positive charge. Neutron have any charge? No. No. Neutron have no charge. And electrons have negative charge. These three charges we call as a subatomic particle. What is it? Subatomic particle. Shiny. Can you list out these atomic particles? Proton, neutron, electron. Very good. Now, so subatomic particle consider three particles. That is proton, neutron, and electron. Okay. Electron have a negative charge. Proton have a positive charge. Neutron have no charge. Okay. Next we are moving to electricity. Electricity is nothing but a path of current flow from one terminal to another. See that picture. This is simple circuit. Here we have current to pass from negative terminal to positive. So today we are going to see about the topic briefly, electricity. Yes. Electricity is nothing but a path to current flow from one terminal to another. Yes. Yes. Next we are moving to electric circuit. Okay. Do you have bulbs in your home? Yes, ma'am. Yes, I need three volunteers. Come. Any three of you? Come here. Just wear it. Wear it. Stand. To build the electric circuit, we need some few components. Okay. So, electric circuit need first electric bulb because it is act as a indicator to the circuit because of the current flow. So next we have a source of energy, that is nothing but battery. What is it? Battery. And then we have one regulator, that is called switch. What is it? Switch. Okay. So, this is simple circuit. We have to build a simple circuit. We need four basic components, that is bulb, battery, switch. And these components we connect with the wire. So, consider we have a switch, electric bulb, battery. What is missing here? Wire. To connect these components, we need wire. So, imagine their hands are wire. Join together. Together. Yes. Under the condition of continuous connection, we have built a perfect electric circuit. If suppose any disconnection in this circuit, current can able to flow? No. The current cannot able to flow. The circuit is called what? Closed circuit. Yes. Thank you. Next we are moving to our types of electric circuit. What is that? Types of electric circuit. We have two types of electric circuit, that is series circuit and parallel circuit. Yes, series circuit is nothing but a connection should be one line. That is called series circuit. We have bulb at series manner with the source of electricity which is used for the current flow, and we have a battery. Battery is used for the battery have negative to positive terminals. These three bulbs are connected series connection, and we have a switch. This is a regulator to on and off mode. When we need electricity, we have to put on or switch on the switches to flow of this electron. Okay, I have a circuit here. I need 3 volunteers now. Stand. Yes. This is simple circuit. We already see. Switch on. Yes. We have a electric bulb. It is an indicator to the flow of electron, and we have a battery. It is source of energy. The switch is to be regulate the current flow, and this circuit will be separated in two types, that is parallel circuit and series circuit. Okay, here series circuit we align the bulbs in one line. Okay, so series connection is called, we have the bulbs at the same line, but here we are arranging the component in the parallel circuit. Because of the parallel connection, the circuit is called as a parallel connection. Okay. Switch on. Yes. See, this is series circuit and this is parallel circuit. Now we have to study about the difference between these two circuits. Okay, here we are arranging the components in the same line, one line, and also they have only one path to the current flow. Okay, but here we are arranging the components as a parallel circuit, so the connection will be a parallel to each other, and here we need a 3 or more paths to current flow, but here only one path. If suppose any component have damage, there is no connection in between this circuit. All the components will be stopped. Okay, the function will be stopped. But here any one component is get corrected and another is also working, because here we have a next 2 paths to current flow. Okay, clear? Yes. Thank you. Next we are going to see about the short view of insulator. Anybody knows what is meant by insulator? Any insulators you know? No. Insulator is nothing but a material should allow the current to pass through. That is called insulator. Our human body is also insulator. We are inducting a insulator material like a human body, iron. Next, we are projecting a conductor. Conductor is nothing but electric conductivity is high in the material. That is called conductor. Conductor example is iron material. And give any example for the conductor. Metals, steel, water, salt water. Because of the salt water, we have a negative and positive charge. Through this positive and negative charge, we can conduct the current from one place to another. So it is considered as a conductor. Okay, yes. Vali, stand up. What are the four components we need to build the electric circuit? What are they? Proton. No. Who knows? Stand. Wait. Bulb, battery, wire, switch. Very good. Sit down. Then what are they? Bulb, wire, battery, and switch. Yes, very good. Okay, Shiva. What are the subatomic particles? What are they? Proton, neutron, electron. Sit down. Abhi, stand. Electron carry which charge?
Negative charge.
Negative charge. Sit down. Yes. Last one. Stand. Martin. Yes. How many types of circuit we have?
3 types.
What are they?
Simple circuit,
Simple circuit,
series circuit,
series circuit,
parallel circuit.
parallel circuit. Yes, sit down. So, for your homework, prepare a model for series circuit